What is the name of the story? Let's see.
The Lion and the Mouse.
What is the name of the story?
Lion and Mouse.
Wonderful. Let's see.
Once upon a time, there lived a lion who ruled the forest. One day, after eating his meal, the lion fell asleep under a tree.
What is lion doing here? Lion is? Lion is?
Okay.
What is lion doing?
Repeat on the tree.
Under the tree. Yes, lion is sleeping under a tree.
A little mouse saw him.
And then, who came? Who is this?
This is mouse.
Yes, a mouse came.
And thought it would be fun to play on him. He began running up and down the sleeping lion. He ran up the tail and slid down the tail.
What is mouse doing? Look, what is mouse doing? Mouse is
Jumping on the tiger.
yes.
No, on the lion.
Lion. Yes, mouse is jumping on the lion's back and playing on his tail.
The lion woke up.
What happened now? See? What happened? What happened when he was jumping on his back? Lion?
Yes.
What happened? Lion woke up. Lion woke up. And he's very angry. See, lion is very angry. Lion is angry.
Angry with a loud roar. He grabbed the mouse.
And he grabbed the mouse. See? What happened to the mouse? Look. Lion grabbed him.
Grabbed him.
With his huge paw. The mouse struggled but could not escape. The lion opened his big jaws to swallow him. The mouse was very scared.
And the mouse was very scared.
I'm scared.
Scared. He said, please, don't eat me. Let me go. What did mouse say?
Let me go.
Let me go. I will help you one day.
Oh, King, I'm very scared. Please don't eat me. Forgive me this time. Please let me go. I shall never forget it. Maybe one day I can help you.
The lion was so amused by the idea of the mouse being able to help him that he lifted up his paw and let him go.
Oh, lion? Let him go. See?
Go.
Yes, lion let him go. What did he say?
Thank you, King. I will never forget your kind.
What did mouse say? When lion leave him, mouse said, thank you, king.
Thank you, king.
Thank you. He said, thank you.
Thank you.
See, what is lion doing now? Lion is walking. What is lion doing? Lion is walking in the jungle.
Walking into the jungle.
As he did,
Walking,
the
and
hunters pulled the
oh my
ropes.
God, who's that on the tree?
On the tree.
Hunter. Hunter on the tree.
On the tree.
And Hunter, what is Hunter doing? Let's see.
Caught him in the net.
Oh no.
The lion started to roar loudly.
What happened to lion?
Was stuck.
Stuck in the net. Oh my God, now what is he going to do? What will happen now? Let's see.
and tried to escape. The hunters fastened the net.
Lion is
They went back to the village to
roaring.
bring a cart to transport the lion. The lion was still roaring loudly.
Lion is roaring
Falling.
loudly.
Tree.
Lion is roaring. He want to go out of the net. That's when lion is roaring loudly.
All the animals, including
Oh my God, who's that? Who's that? All the animals heard.
Yes.
Animals
I
heard.
remember
Hmm.
mouse.
Mouse is there. Lion's friend. Mouse heard that lion
This
is
mouse. No, this is mouse. This is zebra.
zebra and bunny rabbit and deer.
Yes.
All the animals. And what is mouse going to do?
the
Let's
mouse
see.
heard the roar.
The king is in trouble. I must return the favor.
He soon reached the lion.
Don't worry, my king. I will set you free.
He climbed up the trap
Climb, climb,
and
climb.
used his sharp little
And?
teeth to bite through the ropes.
What is mouse doing? See? What did he do? Mouse?
Cut you on net.
Yes, he cut the net. And cut. Bite. And what happened?
Finally.
Lion came out.
Out.
Yay, lion is out now.
He freed the lion from the trap. The lion realized that even a little mouse can be a great help. Thank you, mouse.
And lion said,
Mouse. Hey. Look.
yeah, I'm looking. Yes, I'm looking.
Popcorn is enough.
Oh, popcorn is finished. Wonderful. Okay, so what is mouse doing? Mouse and lion standing, and lion said, thank you, mouse.
Mouse.
He said, thank you.
I will never trouble you again. Live happily in my forest. You saved a king's life. Now you are the prince of this forest.
Thank you, king. Bye.
And mouse said,
See you soon.
what did he say?
Yes, so.
See you soon. Bye, lion. See you soon.
Oh, where are you going? Don't you want to play on me and slide down my tail?
And lion said, don't you want to play with me? And
Yes.
slide down on my tail. And mouse is so happy now. They both are playing again.
Okay.
And they become good?
Yes.
Good what? They become good
Yes.
friends.
Friend.
They become good
Friend.